Bugeye guys. I'm out in George's Bugeye. This is a car that was delivered to us actually by George from Milwaukee, and we've been putting it together. We put a 5-speed in and a brand new 1380 engine, which is a 1275 engine that's bored to its maximum for great power. We haven't got this car finished yet, so we still have to put the shift tower in. This is the modification, or one of the modifications for the 5-speed conversion, and this is how we dogleg the shift levers, which if you want one of those, we have those. We TIG weld those, and we have all new wiring, and these are new switches as needed, new ignition switch, and these are our electronic gauges, which work so nicely with the 5-speed conversion. You get a GPS driven speedometer. So we have also a USB port here for charging your phone. And what I want to do on this little visit is take you for a drive. This is a 30 miles on this brand new engine, so I can't really abuse it or push it, but it's still breaking in, of course. But you should be able to see right away, this is a very quick and really fun car with a wonderful exhaust note. It has our performance exhaust kit on it, and let's go for a drive. George will be driving this back to Milwaukee in about a week, so I'm out testing it this weekend. So, and I should mention, by the way, that we haven't finished this interior. We have to put the panels on. There's the new larger mirror there for this dashboard mirror. We like the larger mirror, better visibility. And of course the horn push has to go in now that the steering wheel is centered. So a lot of pre-checks, pre-departure checks are